Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are browsing Google Fit for the first time. It's Google's take on a fitness app, much like Strava that we've reviewed on here, or Apple Health. So this can integrate directly into my Apple Health as soon as I booted it up, or we can set you up, normally by telling them your weight, your age, whatever it is, that how active you are, not how activity. That's not good grammar. So let it connect to my Apple Health here and allow it. Stay on top of my goals, allow notifications, not now. And here am I. How to score hard points. You'll score hard points for activities that raise your heart rate, like brisk walking, cycling, or HIIT. Choose your daily goal. It's always 10,000. Set goals. All right, so here's my account. Here are my hard points for the day. How many calories I've burned, and on top of here, how many kilometers I've covered for the day, and the movement minutes, my daily goals per week, my HIIT, my weekly target, which you can set, according to whatever it is that your heart pleases, and you can check your heart rate. If you have like one of the bands, the fitness bands, or perhaps like a fitness watch or an Apple Watch in my case. Heart rate, you can track your respiratory, you can track your sleep. What else do we have over here? This is a journal that includes all of my activities in recent days, and you can even tailor it to certain activities. This only shows you running. This only shows you swimming, only the HIIT trainings, whatever it is. And if we go on here, all your health data in one place. You get the body measurements, your activity. This is my activity. Body measurements. I'd rather not tell you what my body measurements are. And I'm talking to the app. I can tell you everything. Nutrition. So this is if you want to track your nutrition. Sleep as well. I don't like tracking my sleep, but it also helps with training readiness and such. And here's your account. And this is where you set your activity goals and hard points. And it tracks and tells you exactly if you've hit them or not. It's pretty customary. I like the UI. It's nice, plain, simple, straight to the point. So this is like a hands-on first impression of Google Fit. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video.